Now, Chief Justice Martha Koome is expected to form a three-judge bench that will determine the 8:30 p.m.
All eyes are now on Chief Justice Martha Koome to see when the Chief Justice will form a three-judge bench that will have the task of hearing and determining all the cases that are challenging the historic impeachment of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Kenyans are also waiting to see which judges will be picked by the Chief Justice to ultimately decide the fate of DP Gachagua. This is after High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi on Friday morning referred 5 petitions that are challenging the impeachment of Gachagua to his boss in the judiciary and recommended that she forms a bench of 3 judges that will sit here and determine all the petitions that are against Gachagua's ouster.
Considering the immense public interest that this matter has generated, and being the first of its kind in Kenya where the Deputy President of the Republic is being removed by process of impeachment, it is my considered opinion that this matter deserves the input of a bench so as to pronounce itself on the process that is constitutionally compliant to serve as a benchmark for future undertakings of this nature. It is necessary for the citizenry of this country to know whether the current state of law allows adequate opportunity to participate meaningfully in the process of removal of their deputy president.
Apart from the case that is poking holes on Gachagua's impeachment process by citing insufficient and hurried public participation, a total of 23 other cases that challenge Gachagua's removal from office have so far been filed in court. One of the cases is a case filed by former UDA Secretary General Cleophas Malala, who wants Gachagua's impeachment set aside because the National Assembly, which drew the first blood on Gachagua, has no sufficient women as per the 2/3 gender rule. The second case is a petition filed by lawyer Morara Omoke, who wants the court to bar the government from appointing Gachagua's successor should he be impeached by the Senate until the petition is heard and determined.
I find that given the extensive nature of these proceedings, starting from the National Assembly all the way to the Senate and the massive public interest of the matter has generated, it will require the mind of more than one judge to determine.
As this happens in the corridors of justice, NTV has established that senators will vote to either save or sink Gachagua from 8:30 p.m. this coming Thursday. According to the official impeachment schedule seen by NTV, the National Assembly will have the entire Wednesday to nail Gachagua, while Gachagua will plead his case from 9:30 a.m. on Thursday to 6:30 p.m. After that, all 67 senators will vote on all the 11 charges to determine whether Gachagua should either stay in office or go home. David Muthoka, NTV, Nairobi.